is for apple, red and sweet. B is for ball, bounce to the beat. C is for cat who likes to play. Learn your letters every day. D is for dog, bark and run. E is for elephant, having fun. F is for fish swimming in the sea. Learn all the letters you see. G is for goat, eating grass. H is for horse, running fast. I is for igloo, in the snow. So many letters you know. J is for jump, let's move around. K is for kite, flying with no sound. L is for lion, king of the land. Learning letters hand in hand. M is for monkey, swinging in a tree. N is for nest, where birds like to be. O is for ocean, deep and blue. Home to whales and dolphins too. P is for panda, eating bamboo. Q is for queen, waving at you. R is for rabbit, hopping so fast. Learning letters is a blast. S is for snake, sliding by. T is for tiger, roar, oh my. U for umbrella, it keeps us dry. It's fun, give it a try. V for violin, playing a tune. W is for whale, under the moon. X is for xylophone, playing a song. Come on, sing along. Y is for yak, big and strong. Z is for zebra, stripes so long.